All right, let's learn how to make a button work in Flash. So the first thing I want to do is how it works. If we click on bird, which is a button, it plays the bird, comes back to the main menu, click on dog, same thing. So the first thing we should get squared away is in the timeline, we're dealing with the code in frame 1. That is the one that's waiting for a mouse click. You know, if I scrolled further into the movie, you'll see there's a bird, and there's nothing going on there at this time. It's really right here at the main menu. We're waiting for the user to make a mouse click. So how do we do that? Well, the way we do that is we want to go and look in what we have in our library. In our library, we need to have a symbol. And here's the icon for a symbol. It's a gear. And when we drag the symbol onto the stage, and this is the most important part, we need to give it an instance name. Over to the left, notice it's the properties window. We'll be using that a lot. I am going to give it a name, and I'm just going to name it Murphy. So that rectangle is named Murphy. But what I want to happen is when I click on that rectangle, I want it to go to a frame called Murphy, which I just inserted. You'll see it up there. So I've got it selected, and now it's time to apply the code. Well, we're going to use code snippets so we don't have to learn all the tricky coding going on, but we still have to have a clue as to what's going on. So I've got it selected, and I want to have it go to and play frame Murphy. So I'm going to double click on the icon in this code snippets window, and when I do that, it automatically places code into the frame, into the action right here. And what this is saying is, it's saying when you click on the instance that we called Murphy, do something. So right now, by default, it would go to frame 5. We don't want that. We want it to go to frame Murphy. So I need to use quotes, type in Murphy, and this would be correct. So it's also not the only thing here. I'll just show you that the code that we have up above, those are all comments, is this. When you click on the instance name cat, go to frame cat. And this is all in one script. There's just a lot going on, basically all doing the same thing. So I'm going to give you a code, or rather a file, that's got a few problems with it, nothing too crazy, but this movie basically explains what you need to know to fix that, and I hope you have fun doing it.